Hi guys and welcome back. Bitcoin is getting here closer and closer to our entry target for our potential short that we can take here. And of course the question should be, are we seeing a drop in Bitcoin that we will get our entry and we go all the way down to the technical target, or are there reversal signs right now in the chart telling us that we might just bounce off here and go to the upside? That is something that we should talk about today. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out these really important videos. So now let's directly get into the charts here and in today's content. So here I get now a little bit skeptical if we're gonna get that move here to the downside, because the stochastic RSI is oversold and the MACD wants to turn bullish here with a potential bullish crossover, which would be a buy signal. And that's why I'm right now watching this with caution. If we get close to the entry target here at $27,100 all the way down to $25,200, because based on these two indicators, what could happen is that we basically just see that the price maybe touches here and then directly jumps back to the upside in the in the short term, you know. So and we have to be aware of that. So if that would be to happen, where would I take a long position? So a long position, if I would take one, I would do it here above this level of $28,330, but only if we close a 4-hourly candle above that. And then the target would be all the way up to our resistance. So here, that would be my stop loss. All the way up to the resistance here. So which would give me a risk to reward ratio of almost 4-to-1, which is absolutely fine. So 8.33% to the upside, 20x leverage on that, almost 200%. So easy trade. So we have here now two setups that we can potentially trade. We just have to see which one is going to play out here. So either we start breaking down from the range that we are in here, or we gonna see a move to the upside from the range that we are in. So that's what I see right now here on the 4-hourly chart. On the daily chart, nothing has really changed. We are still also ranging here in that resistance area. Still, the bearish divergence has not played out yet. The stochastic is coming slowly down, but if it stays the way it is, what we could see is that the stochastic starts to turn around, and then we see that push to 30K, and from there I definitely expect a hard reaction to the downside when we get all the way up there. So, but there is a potential that we see next week another push to the upside for Bitcoin. I will also show you in a second what could be the catalyst for that. So here on the 1-hourly chart, I had to extend the line from yesterday, this upward sloping support. We are sitting right now on it. And also stochastic wants to go up here. Let's see how the EMA ribbon is looking. Yeah, we are in a downtrend right now here on the 1-hourly chart on the EMA ribbon. So Bitcoin has to come here above $27,800 ish to reclaim the EMA ribbon so that it can flip to the upside, so that we see continuation to the upside. Otherwise we should be a little bit concerned here that we potentially break down from this, and then we will see also a strong reaction to around at least 26,700 in my opinion. So over the weekend I would be a little bit cautious. I mentioned at the beginning of the video we should be cautious here over the weekend. Then the Bitcoin dominance is on the rise, which is of course not good for altcoins. So that means people go back into Bitcoin. There's right now an indecision candle, if I see this correctly. Yeah. So, but if this is pushing higher, then it would change into a hammer candle. So, and that could also mean a final push here to the upside to around 38-39%. And only then we're gonna see the start of the altcoin season. So if the candle stays like that, it's beautiful for us. That would be a doji candle. If the next candle goes then to the downside tomorrow, altcoins start to run. It's a reversal pattern that we see then here on the Bitcoin dominance, and then we see continuation to the downside. Happy days, everything wonderful, and we will see a huge rally in altcoins. But regardless of the next 2 days, I definitely expect altcoins starting to run, to see the first signs of that by next week already. So here is something that I also wanted to show you guys, because we get close to the monthly close. So the MACD is about to get a bullish crossover here in next month or the month after that. And every time when we got a bullish crossover on the MACD, let me zoom in here a little bit, so here you can see it also, we were about to start a big rally to the upside. So here for 2015, I have to scroll a lot that you can see it. So here you can see also the crossover there, and then also here massive run to the upside. So in something similar, I expect this time to be happening again, when we get the bullish crossover this month or next month, and then we see again a massive run here to the upside. So guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together, especially altcoins, then do it on BYBIT. The link is here down below in the pinned comment and in the description below. Still get $30,000 when you sign up, or on Bitget $20,000 also only with that link in the description and in the pinned comment below. So now, one catalyst that I could see next week why Bitcoin could be pumping like crazy is the collapse of Deutsche Bank. So Deutsche Bank will not go bankrupt, I can tell you that already. The German government, they're gonna bail out Deutsche Bank. They did it before with other banks. They're gonna do that. Deutsche Bank is one of the biggest global players out there. They're definitely gonna bail them out. But you can see the stock plunged like crazy over the last couple of days. And if I go here all the way back to the all-time high, then you think Deutsche Bank is a shitcoin. Because look how much it dropped since the all-time high that was in 2007. So look at this, 93.3% down. Does it not look like a shitcoin? Looks dramatically like a shitcoin. So insane how this is looking. So that is something that I wanted to show you guys. So because Deutsche Bank is about to collapse, and then Bank of America and other banks, they're going to follow. Also JP Morgan, their stock is plunging like crazy. So we could see here a total collapse of the banking system. And that is what Bitcoin was built for, and why I am, and I hopefully also hope that you do that, are investing into Bitcoin, because it's the best hedge against the stupid banks which were acting the last years just like degenerate gamblers that try to chase the next shit coin, you know. So, and that's basically what's happening here in to our financial system right now, and that's why we are long on Bitcoin since, yeah, I am long since 2015, and some other people even longer, but that is the whole point why we went long on Bitcoin. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. It was a short one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll see you then again tomorrow.